Commissioned by Shelby American of Las Vegas, Nevada, this all-aluminum beast combines storied heritage with killer looks, excellent build quality, and unbeatable provenance. And with names like Tremec and Brembo on its spec sheet, this professionally assembled sports car will outperform and outlast just about any classic on the road. Equipped with an official Shelby American VIN, CSX 4390 is a fully sorted gem that's listed in the 4th edition of the World Registry of Cobras and GT40s. The car was professionally assembled by Finish Line Motorsports and sold to its first owner for $250,000. A large chunk of that six-figure value was this Shelby's all-aluminum body, which during the build was dressed in silky silver two-stage that looked striking behind gloss black racing stripes. Between the doors, it's all-purpose all the time, as supple leather and fresh carpet culminate in a simple yet attractive driving environment. Deep bucket seats pin soft pleats under 2-point Simpson safety harnesses. A leather-wrapped dash frames sedate gauges above an angled shifter and a polished handbrake. And a classy wood steering wheel spins polished spokes around a Cobra-branded steering wheel emblem. Without a doubt, this Cobra is as close to a 1965 as you can get, and nowhere is that more evident than under the hood, where you'll find $50,000 worth of serialized Shelby Big Block, and that strong 427 twist torque to a tough Tremec 5-speed. Fully sorted and ready to turn your dreams into reality, this awesome Shelby embodies the unique combination of performance and style every car builder dreams about. From its timeless aluminum body to its comfortable leather cockpit, there simply aren't many nicer Cobras out there. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.